Namaste. I'm Shilpi Das Chauhan, a personal voice coach, a voice artist, a certified sound healer, and the co founder of Karista Foundation. The causes of elderly care and child adoption are very close to my heart. I co produced a short film called Poonam, which is about loneliness that affects the elderly. This short film has bagged 33 awards. And child adoption? That was my personal goal. As a girl growing up, my mother's boundless love and care ingrained a deep rooted sense of filial love in me, and I often wondered if I could be as good a mother. Later in college, I accidentally overheard two of my hostel mates conversing about adoption. It was a debate about whether one should desire to adopt or not. The more I heard, the more I inched towards making adoption a personal goal. After I heard that debate, I was sure there are no unwanted children, just unfound families. I decided my family is certainly going to be an adoptive family. Nearer to the truth, Oprah Winfrey has said it the best. Biology is the least of what makes one a mother. I married at 29 only after I convinced my fiancé then of my intent to adopt. Time flew by. I was blessed with an adorable daughter. All of 2 years then, she yearned for a playmate and specifically a brother. So the wish for adoption that was on the back burner turned into an agenda and began the quest. My husband and I were introduced to Society of Indian Children's Welfare in Kolkata, listed with CARA, Central Adoption Resource Authority. They made us aware of all the formalities, legalities, documentation, procedures, and then began the long wait. After a wait of 2 long years, Society of Indian Children's Welfare gave us the news we had been yearning for. The news was about a boy child who was up for adoption. But we were told that he would be ready to meet us only after he attains an age of 2 months. The first meeting with him is fondly etched in my memory, and it will remain forever. Things fell into place after another 8 weeks of heavy wait. We could finally take him home when he was 4 months old. Of course, he was restless initially for the first few months, but soon he was ours. It is quite magical that this child was destined to end up with us, and we ended up with him. The lessons from adoption are profound. Today, I firmly believe any child you take of your own becomes your own if you give of yourself to that child. By adopting, we stretch past our immediate circle, and by reaching out, we find unexpected sense of belonging with others. Now, I rarely remember that I am both a biological and an adoptive mom. To conclude, I'm just a mom. I need no further reminders or labels.